Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to indent rows or text in Google Sheets, maybe to make your data look more organized, easier to read, or just a bit more professional, you've probably noticed there isn't a straightforward indent button like in other programs. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you the absolute best way to indent rows in Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a simple trick up your sleeve that's going to make your spreadsheets look cleaner and more structured, all without the hassle. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, start by selecting the cells or words you want to indent. Maybe it's the names in a list, some categories in your budget sheet, or anything else you want to visually nest under a main heading. Click and drag to highlight just those cells, it's that simple. Taking the time to select only the words or rows you actually want indented will help keep the rest of your data looking nice and tidy. Now here where the real trick comes in. With your cells still selected, look at the top of your screen and find the Format menu. It's right between Insert and Data. Click on Format and then from the drop-down menu, select Number, and finally you'll see Custom Number Format at the very bottom. It might sound a bit technical, but I promise it's way easier than it sounds. Once you're in the Custom Number Format box, this is where the magic happens. You're going to create a format that visually pushes your text over just like an indent. In the space that says Type, all you have to do is hit the spacebar 5 times, literally just tap the space key 5 times on your keyboard, and then right after those spaces, type the @ symbol. Now in Google Sheets, the @ symbol is like a little placeholder for the actual value in the cell. So what you're telling Google Sheets is, show 5 empty spaces first, then display whatever is in the cell, whether it's text or a number. Go ahead and click Apply or OK. Instantly, you'll see your selected cells have moved over to the right. It's like giving them a neat little margin. And that's it, you've indented your rows quickly and without adding any weird extra characters or spacers. If you're wondering why we go to the trouble of using custom number format, here's the deal. Other methods like manually adding spaces or using formulas can get messy over time, especially if you have to update your data. But the custom format keeps everything flexible and it only affects how the data looks, not the underlying values. That means sorting, calculations, and copying data all still behave normally and your spreadsheet stays in tip-top shape. Remember, if your indent doesn't look quite deep enough, you can try hitting the spacebar a few more times in that custom number format box, maybe 7 or 8 spaces for a bigger indent. The beauty of this method is that you're in total control of how your data appears. So there you have it, indenting rows in Google Sheets has never been easier or more reliable. If you found this tip helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about formatting or want to see more spreadsheet hacks, just drop me a comment below. I always make time to read and reply. And if you want more straightforward tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on a new trick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.